guys, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. As you can tell by the thumbnail of this video, we are going to be doing a Target, Walmart, and a Mini Michaels haul. If you've seen my previous video, you know that my husband had a day off from work and we took advantage of that day off and went shopping. On the previous video, it was a Marshalls and TJ Maxx haul video. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to share the link in the description bar below so you can watch it after this video, and I'm also going to share it here on the info bar up above you so that if you want to click through it once you're done watching this video, you're more than welcome to. So like I said, this video is going to be a haul of Target, Michaels, and Walmart in no particular order. I'm just going to share with you what we got and just kind of talk through what we've got. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the very first item that I got was this little oven mitt set. The one I got was burnt through and I needed a replacement one. I thought this was really, really pretty. I don't remember the price for this, unfortunately. Target doesn't always have their prices on some of the items. If I do, I'm going to link whatever I can in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And if you're interested in buying one, you're more than welcome to get one for yourself as well. I like how thick the material is. It's very nice and sturdy, so I'm not going to be worried about burning my hands when I grab my stovetop pots and pans. So this is one of the items. So I really love drinking out of mugs. I am not a coffee drinker per se. I drink tea, orange juice, milk, stuff like that, water, but I love collecting mugs, and I found this one here and it says give thanks and I just thought it was really, really pretty. It has the fall vibes on it. It's a really nice, like a mustardy yellow color. This one I believe was $4.99 or $5.99. Again, Target. I thought it was just really, really cute and I really liked it. Another item I got was another mug. Again, I just love collecting mugs. Something about them. This one really, I gravitated to it because it's really cute. It has like the webbing to it and it's got a little spider. I'm sorry I had it backwards, but this is the front of it. It's got the webbing on it and it's got a little spider. I thought it went all the way around, that's why I showed you the back end, but it didn't. It's just a cauldron at that point. But again, it's a cauldron with a little spider. I thought it was really, really cute. I believe this one was $5.99. Again, I'll link these down in the description box below so you can check them out. I thought it was just really, really cute and so much fun. If I wasn't to drink anything out of it, I would also use it as a mini candy dish when I'm crafting or when I'm doing voiceovers. I tend to have a couple little pieces of candy in there just to kind of give me a little bit. It's usually Hershey Kisses, and I'll just fill like a dish with them, and then throughout the week I pluck little miniatures from here. So I thought that was really fun to either use for either way. So keeping with the Halloween theme, we got this cute little Halloween pumpkin. We actually got two of these. This price is $3. This was in the Halloween section, not the dollar spot. So if you're looking for a set, you have to actually go towards their seasonal decor section and find it there. There wasn't that many left. There was about maybe, I would say 4 or 5 more of these. So I guess they're really, really popular. The cool thing about this is, obviously you might know this trick already, but in the front it says, you know, Happy Halloween, but at the back it doesn't. So what I like to do is during the change of seasons, when we go into Thanksgiving, I can have it on its back. So when it comes to decor like this, like the beginning of fall, I'll have the blank back of it, and then for Halloween I have the front, and then I turn it back around to continue using it for the next 2 months. So I thought this was a really, really cute find. I got 2 sets, or 1 set. So my husband and I are in the process of doing the front of our patio and our front lawn. All of my Halloween decor for the front of the house over time have gotten damaged because of the outdoor weather, so we had to replace a lot of items. And we had this agreement where my husband gets to do the front lawn any way he wants, which is usually like a lot of gore and scary stuff, and then I get to decorate the patio itself any way I want, with a little bit of compromise of adding a couple of spooky things. But in that decor style, I got this cute little pumpkin wreath. It is absolutely adorable. It is $20. This was actually the last one they had there, but I just thought it was so pretty. and it's just so nice. I just fell in love with it. I was envisioning making one of these myself, but for 20 bucks I thought, why not? By the time I buy the materials and actually get around to doing it, it's $20, and I got this really pretty wreath that I can hang out for the season. So keeping in with the Halloween decor theme, my husband picked out these cute little bats. They are $5 each, and in one set you get 4 bats. So that's about roughly $1.25 a bat. I thought that's not bad. I mean, you'd get the same thing at Dollar Tree, so why not? Again, my husband loves decorating for Halloween, so he's going to be hanging these out in our front patio, or rather our front lawn. He's going to kind of rig them to our tree or something like that. So I thought these were really, really cute. And it makes him happy, so it makes me happy. So the other thing we got were this tree hugging decor item. It's basically, you wrap it around your tree. I don't know if you can see that, it's a little blurry. But you just attach this to your tree. We have this kind of smallish tree that my husband and I love to decorate for the holiday season. I love decorating it for Christmas, and he likes decorating it for Halloween. So this is his decor item. It's a face and 2 arms that are supposed to come out of the tree. So he's really excited about using this and can't wait to decorate. Another item we got was this really, a bag of spiders, 150 count spiders. It's got one main like clear spider, but the rest are black, for $3, and we're going to be using it as decorative little elements throughout the house. And this is something my husband really loves gravitating to. Before I forget, I also got this cauldron. It's a slime punch cauldron, $8. Using it for the slime punch, then I can use the cauldron for almost any other project in the future. I thought it was really cool. So it was $8, not a bad deal. It's cute. So that is everything from Target. Now I'm going to show you the things we got from Walmart, which were not so much Halloween stuff. It was more like home decor stuff and things we needed for the house. So I thought I'd share that with you. So the first thing I got was this really pretty vase. I have always wanted a vase this size. I just think it's very pretty. You can put like a miniature item in the center and fill the outer ends with like seasonal items like acorns for Halloween, or maybe miniature beads for like Thanksgiving, and then I like ornaments for Christmas. So I thought it was really, really pretty. Of course, you can put your candles in there. You can also use it for flowers. So it's got so many unique ways you can use this for that I just absolutely had to have it. I believe I paid $11 for this vase, but I'm not 100% sure. Also, this vase was the last one in my local Walmart, but if I do find it online, I will just share that link in the description box below, so definitely check that out and get yourself one if you need it. So while at Walmart, we also bought these 24-foot solar LED rope lights. We're going to be using it in our walkway. It's either going to be on our walkway into the house, or it's going to be in the front where we have like a mini garden just to light it up there. I believe these are plug-ins. I was kind of hoping for battery operated ones, but I didn't find them, so I thought this was perfect. And they also had other colors there. I believe they had like a purple color or a blue color there, but we just wanted just regular lights. Continuing with the lights, we also got these solar powered ones. I'm sure you've seen them everywhere. We just got these because my husband wants to light up the house during the holiday season and throughout the winter, and this is perfect because it gets kind of dark quickly now that we're entering the cooler weather months. So we just needed some lights, so I thought I'd share that with you guys if you're looking for a set. So while at Walmart, we also found this really amazing smelling scented candle. It has these flowers and these skulls here. It's called Ghoulish Screams, and it's a maple bourbon praline, I believe that's what it's called. It smelled really good. The cap is a little hard to open up, but yeah, it smells really good. It's kind of have a sweet taste, a sweet scent to it. I loved the colors. I thought it was really, really pretty, and it kind of reminded me of Dia de los Muertos, and I thought that's pretty cool. Like it was just very pretty, and I really liked it, so we got it. And a bonus is that the candle scent is very, very good. So last but not least is this candy dish that we got from Walmart. I don't remember the price for this, honestly. There was a little mishap. It didn't have a price tag in it, so The lady who was working at the register was really sweet about it. I didn't want to kind of like hold up the line and everything, but she was very, very cool about it. And it was a really good interaction in Walmart, and usually about 90% of the time when I'm at Walmart I don't get that great of an interaction, but I thought this was really, really pretty. I absolutely loved it. I'm actually going to be using this as decor. I'm not going to use it as a candy dish, I don't think, but it is a candy bowl. You get it in the Halloween section, obviously. I had about 8 more. It is really, really cute. I love how it says witch's brew and it's a cauldron. I'm just really into that type of stuff. I love cauldrons, as you can tell from my previous stuff that I shared with you. But yeah, I'm going to use this as a candle holder for now, but in the future it could be candle holder, flowers. I can use it for basically anything to put in there. So I just thought this was something I can truly enjoy for a long, long time and not get sick of it. Okay guys, I almost forgot to share with you my Michaels haul. It is just 2 items that I got. I got a set of these candle holders. They are, I mean, I just thought the shape was really, really pretty. I can use these all year long, during the holidays, in front of the house, in the back patio here. I can fill it with candles, flowers, almost anything I can think of. It's just really, really pretty. This was, the price tag says $29.99. but it was 40% off, so I was able to get these for a lot less. So okay guys, the last item I got was this huge LED lantern. It is pretty heavy, not super heavy, just awkward to hold. Yeah, I used a coupon to get this. It was the very last one they had and I really like it a lot, so yeah, I got it. It is going to go in my front patio along with some future decor items that I got, well, present decor items I got here for a future video I'm going to be sharing of me decorating my front patio. Hopefully I'll be able to release that video to you guys as soon as possible. We're going to be decorating today and then I just have to film and edit everything. So that is it. That is everything for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. I do wanted to know, curiosity wise, what was your favorite haul that I did from all of these things? For me, I have to say, was actually the cauldrons. I love all the cauldrons that I got from Target and Walmart. They're my absolute favorite. I also love this LED lantern that I got from Michaels, as well as all the mugs. I really, really love collecting mugs. It's just this thing I have about drinking out of a different mug every so often. So yeah, I really love collecting mugs as well. So that is it. If you guys are new to my channel, again, thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, definitely leave me a comment down below. And why don't you leave me a witch emoji at the end of this video so I know you watched it all the way through. Until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!